Okay, well, my gear's not super strong. Um, I do tend to switch some of the gear, but this is my main gear that I have set right now. Um, Here's a better look at talents. This is how I set them up for maximum defending and attacking. Um, I'll just start with the second row like I explained in my first video. Go all the way down. Once I hit the level 3, I got 20 to 22, somewhere around on them. Max out the health squad and 15 on that. That right there is what will really make you strong. When you're attacking or you're getting attacked, you need that set. Um, this is Red Shogun. It is a little bit weaker of a castle. I have one manor. All the rest is hospitals. As soon as I get my prison to level 25, I will delete that manor and build an infirmary, which I have already done that on Rojo. My heroes, the heroes help a lot. I mean, right now that's what I got going on. I've only bought one hero on this. That's just to look at my heroes. I try to do infantry, cavalry, range hero, all gold. So when I do defend or send attack, heroes, castle wall. Two cabs, two infantry, and a range is what I got going on in there. Had to get that off the screen, it was bugging me. But that's just a look at Red Shogun. And I'll do another video to give you a look at Rojo Shogun. Not a lot of difference. My troop count is a little lower here because I do most of my fighting from here. Nothing special. Well, that was my second video, and that's about all I got.